Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Selina Afroz Shumi, Assistant Teacher, Cambrian School and College. I am from Bangladesh. I am glad to participate Global Creative Women Award 2021 as a nominee, which is organized by Global Trainer Academy. I want to thank them for giving me an opportunity to express myself. I am a teacher. I have been teaching for 5 years. I have completed SSC from Dokhin Khan Girls High School in 2004 and HSC from Bir Shrestha Munshi Abdul Rauf Rifles College in 2006. I have completed Bachelor of Science in Mathematics and MSc also in Mathematics and ICT from Eden Women's College. I have also completed B.Ed from National Teachers Training Institute. Besides, I have completed a computer course from Youth Training Academy. I have some achievements also. In 2003, when I was in class 10, I received 2 sub-scholarships from the Students Welfare Association and the late Yaqub Ali Smriti Memorial Foundation. Yaqub Ali Memorial Foundation. In 2005, I participated in the science fair from BDR College and got the 2nd place. And in 2005, I took part in an essay competition organized by Square Toiletries Limited for the unveiling of a new package of sanitary napkin for confident women. In 2012, I took part in a gallery display at the South Asian Games from Eden Women's College and also received a certificate from government. In 2014, I started my career as a customer relation officer at High Care Hospital. I left that job after 3 months as I love to teach, so I joined in a private school in 2016. I continued there 3 years. Then in 2019, I joined Cambrian School and College as an assistant teacher. Very active, hardworking and disciplined person. My goal is to discover the easiest way to teach the weak students. So I opened BioNTube in this pandemic situation. My hobby is gardening, traveling, cooking and reading books. I work as an invigilator in the PSC in 2016, 2017 and also in 2019. I am a member of cleaning committee in my institution as I love to work as a team. So now I'm a coordinator also. I'm a digital content developer. I'm a member of Bangladesh Mathematical Olympiad. I'm a member of Shikha Batayan. Now I am a proud member of GTA. Thank you everyone.